So friends, assembly language programming, that is 8086 programming, it is low level programming language. So now the question arises, is it easy to learn or not? So many people think it very difficult to learn because there are so many instructions, so many codes and so many things to remember. But my opinion is, yeah, it is very easy. Absolutely, it is so easy to learn if you focus on understanding, not on by hearting or mug up. If you don't mug up the concepts, it is really easy to understand the assembly language programming. Now friends, let us start with the basics. This is the basic structure of the computer CPU, and inside the CPU these are the registers AX, BX, CX and DX. And apart from these registers, there are also CS, IP, SS and SP, BP. These all are general purpose registers. Apart from these, there are also some other registers like flag registers. So friends, I would like to tell you something. In this tutorial, I am following some different pattern to teach you so that you can understand the programming in a better way, not the theory. So after 1 or 2 sessions, we will start with the coding section. And while we will be coding, I will be explaining each line how to code this for this particular concept or particular program. And I will be explaining each instructions and each line for every codes. So here are the list of some registers, friends. They are general purpose registers which we will be using during coding. When we will be coding our program, that time we will be using these registers. And simply I have defined here registers. It is the memory device used to store some data. So there you can see there are total 8 general purpose registers, that is AX, BX, CX, DX. There are 4 general purpose registers, and SI, DI, BP, SP. They have little specific use. They are also general purpose registers, but they have got some specific use in our programming language. Note here one important point, friends, that again this AX registers is divided into AH and AL, and similarly BX register is divided into BH and BL, and in the same way we have divided CX into CH and CL and DH and DL. This is not that I have divided, this is the sequence of registers. They are present in this way in microprocessor, or we can say it is present in this way, this fashion in 8086. These are some of our segment registers. We can see here CS, DS, ES and SS. There are 4 segment registers, and for all the registers have got some specific use. See, as example, CS, that is also called as code segments. So it points at the segment containing the current program. So friends, it will be pointing to that particular segment which will be holding our current program. And similarly the other registers like data section, data and extra segments and stack segments, every segment registers have their specific use that I will be explaining during the coding. So friends, now if during this basic tutorial, if you don't understand anything, there is no worry, there is no need to worry at all. You will be understanding everything while we will be coding, because that time also I will be explaining line by line for each codes. And here is the detail of all general purpose registers. They are 16-bit registers. So first 4 registers, as I told before, that AX, BX, CX and DX, they are truly general purpose register. We can use for any general purpose used to store data. They are made of 2 separate 8-bit registers. As we discussed that AX is made up of AH and AL. So we can see here AX can be represented as AX is equal to AH plus AL. AH is 8-bit and AL is 8-bit, and totally AX is consist of 16-bit. So there are 16 bits in AX, BX and CX and DX, and again it is divided into 8 bits of different registers. So here you can see I have given one example so that you can understand in a better way. See, AX is totally 00110000, that is 8 bit, and again 001110001. B represent for binary numbers. So there are totally 16 bits are there in AX register, but the first 8 bit of the AX registers hold the data for AH registers, that we have learnt earlier, that AX has been converted into, or AX has been divided into two parts, that is AH and AL. So the first 8 bit, that is this part 00110000, this 8 bit is our AH content data. This AH register is holding this 8 bit of data, and again AL register is holding the another 8 bits of the data.